So let me quickly walk you through the steps of an ampersand session. First of all, you want to log in. And if you do not have a login, you can register by pushing the register button. What you do is you choose a user ID that could be your student number or something. You choose a password and your name and then you click outside of the box so you see that this becomes blue and create your account. And you're directly logged in so you can start away. If you want to log out, you will always see the logout button right here. And but for now, we're going to create a new script. You can see that your scripts, there's no scripts at the moment. So you create a new script like this, and let me show you how fast I can type. Poof, here's a script. You may recognize this script because it is in the tutorial, and I will give it a name and call it enrollment. Now I want to compile it. First time the thing colors green for a few seconds. That means that rules have been checked, but it also means that the compile button has not been pressed. So I press it a second time and now it starts compiling the script. Lo and behold, this particular script happens to have no errors whatsoever, which you can see here. This is also the place where you will see your errors, and please read error messages carefully. Now, in the meantime, Ampersand has made an analysis of this script. So here you can see in the atlas, for example, you can go and look at a concept student and see what Ampersand has analyzed about students. Or you can see the entire context, and you will see it's also made a small data model of that context. So that's all nice. Let's go back to the script. And you can make a functional specification of that script by pushing this button. And you will see that the functional specification is here in this hyperlink. So if you want to download it, you just click the hyperlink and you'll get the box as to where you can leave it. For now, I'm good with that. And you can generate your prototype. This is this button. It takes a few seconds to generate that prototype. And here it is. So you can open the prototype by pushing this hyperlink, and what you see is that you get a new URL. Your student name is used as a URL, and this is your application. What you have to do is you have to install the application. Basically, this generates a fresh database. Your application is running in a container of your own, so you cannot interfere with the work of other students here. This is your own place. This thing will run for 1 hour and then it shuts down. So you have 1 hour to experiment with your application, which is usually sufficient to test it and to do things with it. So here's your application. Well, that terminates this really short demo. And let's go back to the wrap application, of course. That's this window, and log out to terminate the session.